Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the clear speaker feature test in the Poco X3 device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone, so which has a dual stereo speaker setup present in this phone, and there is an option called which is the clear speaker option, so which is available in the additional settings. So you can see here clear speaker. So this will run for about 30 seconds, and which will be clearing the top speaker and the bottom facing speaker as well, which will be very useful in terms of clearing the dust each and every time. So try to do this kind of clear test for every 1 week to maintain this kind of good volume in the Poco X3 device. If you want to know how is the loudspeaker in this Poco X3 smartphone, so try to check the video which I already uploaded in the Poco X3 smartphone. In case if you want to know more and more details about the Poco X3, try to check the playlist in the description, so which will be very helpful for you all in case if you're planning to buy this smartphone. So let's get started with the clear speaker test. So right now let me try to enable the clear speaker, so you'll be hearing the very big volume right now. And if you want to know even the live wallpaper I'm using in both the smartphones, so try to check the links in description even for that one. So let's get started with this sound. As you can see, so maximum sound for the best effect, you'll be getting this kind of option as well. So right now you can increase the volume to the maximum to maintain this kind of sound. As you can see, friends, this is the volume which will be played for about 30 seconds, and then it will be automatically disconnected as well. So when you enable, you'll get this kind of option. As you can see, for 30 seconds. So you need to increase the volume during this time to clear this bottom and top facing speakers, so which will be very useful in terms of clearing the dust every time you place your phone in the pocket. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review on this clear speaker test in the Poco X3 device, because few of the users, they did ask me that whether this kind of feature is present in the Poco X3 smartphone, because it has got dual speaker setup which we need to maintain regularly. So using this kind of option, and make sure to follow me regularly, friends, because every day I'll be trying to do so many videos on the Poco X3 smartphone, so you can decide whether to buy the Poco X3 phone or not before the launch date only. So thank you for watching this video. In case if you are having any other doubts regarding the Poco X3, do comment below. I'll try to reply to you. Maybe if possible, I'll try to make a video on that one as well. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.